Hi all, this is Yogesh and welcome on my new platform called Kirana Wala. In this platform, you will see as a individual shop owner how quickly you can register on this platform, add your catalog and start your business with customization. You will be landing to the first page, which is called shop landing, which shop landing will be totally controllable by the individual shop owner, and they can manage the things. So basically on this page you can see various options. You can see the discount offer, product, its pricing, description. You can see add variation, delete product, copy product, edit product. So these things, like you, if you want to edit some description, you can do that. If you have the similar product, you can copy product and change the items internally, and even you can delete the products. So uh, so basically this all controllable from there. What are the brands in your shop that you can sell, and also the categories, different categories that you can do it. And this all the things are customizable by the shop owner. I logged in as a shop owner, and let's see what are the options that shop owner have. The shop owner have, he can see the categories, he can control the categories, he can add add the new categories, add the new categories, add the subcategories, edit the categories or delete the categories. So he can do that. So there are various, so these are few default categories which are available. Same thing goes with the brands. So he can add the brands that he supports. Some default brands will be given at the start of the start of the shopping shop start of the shop coming online on the Kirana portal. And we have order management also. So basically here the shop owner will see what are the new orders coming to him, and then he can change the status of the order, and accordingly the buyer will be notified. So this is what about the orders. Even all the orders can be exported in a CSV format and can be stored onto the mobile, desktop, or even sent to the individual parties. So that is order management. And then we have the shopping experience, the catalog upload. So when you have various products, so you will be given a CSV file. You will fill that CSV file, and that CSV file you can upload that CSV file, and directly your products will be added accordingly. If you want to do some changes, you can do it. You can save the items independently, or once the customization done, you can save all the product, which is called the add product catalog. So this is what the convenient method for the shop owner to fill the Excel and get their shop going. So whole this process will take around approval around 1 day, and just 180 minutes to get your shop customized and get your business started. Let's see how quickly we can buy the items. So I'm just saying that user want to add something, uh, uh, buy some products on this. He select the products. He can see, he can change the products in my cart. He can see the cart summary, and he can go to proceed to pay. He can choose the options: home delivery, store pickup, cash on delivery, pay now, and accordingly, he can make his decision and do the do the order will be completed. Once the order will be completed, notifications will be sent to the shop owner, and he will be able to see that new order is coming, and then he can act upon this the basically this the your order ID and date will be displayed to you, and what are the items you are you ordered. Now from here, you will be able to see your own orders from the my order uh, section, and you will be see that your order, you can see the further details about the order. So this is what the how easy and efficiently you can make the purchase from this kirana wala shop. Let's see how easy it is for the shop owner to register from the kirana wala platform. So on the first page, landing page, you will see some of the features provided by the kirana wala platform. You click on the begin now and you can see a few shops which has been registered, or for any given pin code you can even buy the kirana shop. So for if there are some slot open for the that pin code, you can buy it, or even you can request it. So basically you can just go there and register your kirana shops and details, and once done it will reach to the admin, and within one day your shop will be approved and you are ready to go. Once your shop is approved, you will see that your shop is listed, and your customers will go to your shops, and they will select and will join your kirana shops, and the sales start from there. So basically this is after approval process, it is just 180 minutes, and your shops will be up and ready with all the items that you want to sell online. So this is what the how to onboard the kirana shop.